Good morning, students. Today we are going to do a new chapter of your English reader book, which is your chapter 11, Pollution, Our Biggest Enemy. Now children, what is pollution? Mixing of impure things with the pure one is called pollution. Okay. Now pollution is of many types like noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution. Now let's begin our chapter. See. Three students, Rohit, Rahul and Sarita are talking about how pollution is caused. Now three children are there in this chapter. Rohit, Rahul and Sarita. They are talking, they are discussing something. What they are discussing? They are discussing that how pollution caused and how it can be controlled. कैसे इसको control करें pollution को और ये कैसे फैलता है. See, you can see in this picture कैसे पानी में कपड़े धो रहे हैं रिवर में, कैसे यहाँ पर ये एनिमल को बाथिंग करा रहे हैं, कूड़ा डाला जा रहा है. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल इज पोल्यूशन. रोहित इज सेइंग, डू यू नो व्हाट इज पोल्यूशन? रोहित पूछ रहा है व्हाट इज पोल्यूशन. राहुल इज सेइंग यस, इट इज द मिक्सिंग ऑफ इम्प्योर थिंग्स with the pure ones. These impure things which causes pollution are called pollutants. Mixing of impure things with the pure one is called pollution, and these impure things which causes pollution are called pollutants. Now Sarita is saying, but how is this caused? कैसे cause होता है ये? Rohit is saying pollution is caused due to many reasons. There are many reasons from which pollution caused. The biggest cause of pollution is cutting of trees. When we cut so many trees, pollution causes. Plants and trees bring rain and cool our surrounding. Plants and trees, it gives rain to us and it cools the atmosphere and it also purifies the atmosphere. ये हमारे वातावरण को भी शुद्ध करता है. Cutting down of trees causes pollution. अगर आप बार बार पेड़ काटेंगे तो क्या होगा, क्या फैलेगा? Pollution ही फैलेगा. ठीक है. See, here what happened? Trees are cutting. Next is Rahul said to Sarita, Sarita, pollution is also caused due to many human activities. Human activities के करके भी जो है pollution फैलता है. People who are careless make the water in river, lakes, ponds, etc. dirty by washing clothes and bathing animals. लोग क्या करते हैं, इतने लेजी हो चुके हैं, रिवर्स पे जा जाकर वो एनिमल्स को बाथ करा रहे हैं और नहा रहे हैं, नहला रहे हैं उनको और कपड़े धो रहे हैं. सच एक्टिविटीज पोल्यूट वाटर. ऐसी ही एक्टिविटीज जो है वाटर को पोल्यूट कर देती है. Sarita, yes, I have also seen the industrial waste being discharged into lakes and rivers. Sarita बोलती है, yes, I have seen industrial waste throwing into lakes and rivers. कि इंडस्ट्री के वेस्ट को रिवर्स और लेक्स में जाते हुए मैंने देखा है. This was making the water too dirty. इससे भी water dirty हो रहा है. Now, Rohit is saying to Sarita, do you know how air also gets polluted? आपको पता है एयर कैसे pollute होती है? Sarita, no, I don't know. Please tell me how it happens. बोलती है नहीं मुझे नहीं पता कि कैसे pollute होती है. Rahul is saying, yes, I'll tell you how the air gets polluted. मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि एयर कैसे pollute होती है. When harmful gases and smoke emitted from the vehicle mix with the air present in the atmosphere. जब harmful gases, smoke जो हमारी व्हीकल्स में से स्कूटर, कार्स वगैरह में से जो हार्मफुल गैसेस और स्मोक निकलती है वो हमारी जो एयर के साथ मिक्स हो जाती है एंड दैट पोल्यूट द एयर. ऑल्सो द स्मोक कमिंग आउट ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज मेक इट डर्टी. जो स्मोक फैक्ट्रीज में से निकलती है उससे भी हमारी एयर क्या होती है, पोल्यूट हो जाती है. रोहित, सरिता, हैव यू सीन एनीवन स्मोकिंग सिगरेट? क्या आपने किसी को सिगरेट स्मोक करते देखा है? दिस स्मोक ऑल्सो पोल्यूट द एयर. स्मोकिंग ऑफ सिगरेट ऑल्सो पोल्यूट द एयर. Sarita, it is also so sad that we have changed our rivers into open sewers and ocean into dustbin. Now it's really very bad that we are using our rivers as open sewers and oceans as dustbin. हमने rivers को तो open sewer बना दिया है और oceans को हमने डस्टबिन बना दिया. It is really very bad. Now, also we have made our environment unhealthy. हमने अपने environment को अपने हाथों से ही unhealthy बना दिया है. Now I understood why we get so many diseases. That is why people are suffering from so many dangerous diseases like cancer, cholera, typhoid. They all are suffering just because of pollution. Nowadays, it is also because of pollution. Rohit, yes Sarita, we all should try to control this biggest enemy of ours. Which is our biggest enemy? Our biggest enemy is pollution, which are spreading day by day. बहुत फैल रहा है. We should plant more trees to save our environment from pollution. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ों को लगाना चाहिए. We should grow more and more trees to control pollution. Rahul, let us try to make the world a safer place to live. Let us save the environment. Let us save our world. हमें अपने अर्थ को बचाना चाहिए. To grow more and more trees and let us save the environment. अपने environment को बचाना चाहिए. So children, that's all about your chapter. I think you should learn something from this chapter, that you should grow one tree at least. At least on your birthday you should grow one tree. It's a very good thing to grow more and more trees to save our environment, to control our pollution. You should grow trees at least on your birthdays. So that's all about your chapter, children. I hope you understood it. Thank you.